Hello, Justin here. What we're going to check out now is a couple of ways of using your minor pentatonic scale to give it a little bit more variation. Now, with this sort of scales and melodic patterns and stuff, you are what you eat. If you practice playing a scale just up and down all the time, when it comes to improvise, which is what we're going to be checking out next with a scale, you'll find that you tend to play the scale up and down, and that's really, really boring. So, what I'm going to try and show you is a few ways that you might like to try and vary the scale to make it a little bit more interesting. So the first thing we're going to do is called a melodic pattern, and that's where if we numbered the scale from like the first note being 1, the second note being 2, the third note being 3, the fourth note being 4, etc., and then we create a little kind of a maths number sequence. So the one that we're going to start off with is 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, etc. Now I'm going to put that little pattern on the website so you can see it, because those sort of patterns are very obvious when you see them written down. So what I'm going to want you to do is check that on the website and then have a little look and play along with this pattern. Now it's kind of a triplet pattern. Now we talked about triplets before, which is dividing a beat into 3, because you'll notice there's 3 numbers in the sequence, right? 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. We're not going to try and play it with the rhythm like 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. We want triplets. We want 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6. Each time progressing along and keeping the notes evenly placed between each other. So let me play it for you through just once, kind of a medium speed, and then we'll play through nice and slowly together. So here we go, just nice and slowly, all the way up and all the way back. If I break just a little bit of that, you can hear it almost starts to sound like a lick, like a little musical phrase that you might use in a solo if you went or something. You can hear it. It kind of makes it melodically a little more interesting. So let's go through and do that really, really nice and slow. The easiest way to do this stuff is to read along a tab, which there is on the website. So maybe go and have a read of that and watch the video along with being able to watch that tab. So here we go. Let's assume you can watch 2 things at the same time. Like, I don't know how you do that, but you can try. Okay, here we go. Nice close up of this one. So we've got, I'm going to call out here now the note numbers. So this will be 1, 2, 3. So we've gone up 3. Now we go back 1 and up 3 again. 1, 2, 3. We go back 1 and up 3. 1, 2, 3. Go back to the last note we played and up 3. 1, 2, 3. Back to the last note we played and up 3. Back to the last note we played. There we go. Back 1, up 3. Back 1 again, up 3. Back 1, up 3. Now we got to the top. We're now going down 3, up 1. So down 3, up 1 and down 3. Up 1. Down 3. Up 1, down 3. Now I did that one deliberately slowly with the little stop in between each of the groups so you could give you a bit of time to figure out where the numbers were. So now let's just do it nice and slowly, but without that little gap, so you're playing it as triplets now. Here we go. 3, 4, triplet. 1, triplet. 2, triplet. 3, triplet. 4, triplet. 5, triplet. 6, triplet. 7, triplet. 8, triplet. 9, triplet. 10, triplet. You go back. So that's a sequence 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. Some people refer to it as the sequence called 3 in a line. Now you can apply almost any number game that you like to this stuff. It's a really, really good way of exploring the scale and getting your fingers to do maybe the things that they might not naturally do. And one of those things is playing the notes that are in the same fret but on different strings. So I'm just going to show you one more really cool little exercise for, it's kind of introduces a technique called rolling, which I'm not going to go too much into in this lesson, but there's some information on that in the technique area of my website. So you might want to go and check that out as well. I'm just going to really show you the basic movement of the pattern in the scale, not the technique. So here we go. What we would do this time is we play the first note, and then we miss one note and play the next one. Then we go back to the note we missed, miss one, play the next one. Back to the note we missed, miss one, play the next one. Back to the note we missed, miss one, play the next one. Back to the note we missed, play the next one. No, sorry, miss one, play the next one. Back to the one we missed, miss one, play the next one. Etc. And then exactly the opposite down. This is a really, really cool little sequence, sometimes called playing in fourths. Now, as soon as you start to speed it up a little bit, you can start to hear it sounds kind of hip. It doesn't sound, it's not so scaly anymore, because it's a little bit different. It's a way that your fingers might not normally move when practicing scales. So it's a really good way of kind of getting your hand to do those little weird things, and it's a big help when you start trying to play some licks and you're improvising. So improvising is where we're at now, so let's have a bit of a look-see at that.